When you join two bits of PVC together, you need to sand where they connect. So that would be the outside of the pipe and the inside of the connector. This will allow the glue to bond a bit more securely. And when you're doing the sanding, you need to sand slightly more, or more than the contact area. This is just to make sure that you absolutely get everything. So if your depth of your socket is like 1 inch, then you want to do 1 and a bit inches. And then you can sort of see the sanding on the outside, and then you know you've pushed it in all the way. I'm also sanding the ends to try and smooth them out a little bit. I'll start by gluing the 32mm pipe and the 50mm pipe to the 32mm reducer. We're going to start with sanding the inside of the bush, or the reducing bush. Try to get all the way in where the pipe will be making contact. Then sand the outside of the pipe, roughly 2 to 3 centimeters, or 1 inch. Before I glue these pieces together, they need to be primed. The primer cleans the pipe as well as slightly softening it to make the glue a little bit more effective. Apply it to the socket and then to the pipe. You want to make sure it doesn't dribble inwards, so try and angle it aiming more downwards, so any drips come out of it rather than into it. Make sure that you cover all the areas that will be in contact with each other. I think I did each about 30 times, and then finally a couple more on the socket. Now I have up to 5 minutes to apply the glue, otherwise the PVC will harden again and I'll need to repeat the primer. When gluing, you only need a light coating on the socket. Apply more glue to the pipe. The reason being, the excess glue on the socket will be pushed into the pipe, and that's something you don't want. The excess glue on the pipe, however, will be pushed out of the socket, and it'll be much easier to wipe from the outside. Once the glue is applied, you need to be quick and firm when putting the socket and pipe together. When I pushed them together, I twisted slightly. However, the instructions didn't tell me to do that. I think I've picked that up from watching other videos. And when you're gluing the pieces together, you need to apply pressure to make sure they don't drift apart. Sometimes they have a habit of doing that, and you need to hold them together. An hour would have been enough, but it's getting late, so I'll check on it in the morning.